What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Coca. Feia. I'm Holland. Today I'm going to be painting an abstract painting. While I'm doing so, I'm also going to be showing you how you can change directions, or maybe you've made a mistake while you're painting and you feel, oh my goodness, it's detrimental, I can't finish this painting. Let me tell you, I do this so many times. I have so much work that's unfinished because I feel like I messed it up or I ruined it. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you how you can overcome that, change your direction in a painting, and possibly create something beautiful. So join me and let's start this journey.
At this point, you could say that I had definitely given up on these colors. I was not feeling the way they were coming together, so instead of stopping here and allowing this painting to get the best of me, I decided to paint all over it with gold and to just cover everything because everything had already dried, so there was no point in trying to save it. I was just going to move on and try to start a new painting with what I had already started. So I took some black and white paint and started to use my spatula and smear it all over where I had originally placed that river. And by spreading this paint, you could say that I am killing two birds with one stone. And what I mean by this is that I'm not only covering over my mistake, but I'm also creating a new interesting layer of texture. And I think the most important information that I can give to help any artist while they're painting is to not be stuck on one image or one idea. Allow yourself just to create. Nothing is ever going to come out perfect. You need to just flow, just create. Nothing ever has to stay on one course. Maybe you're painting one thing and it turns into something else, and don't be disappointed in that. Be proud of what you've created, not in what you didn't.
So this painting is done. I initially had started with one idea, but I was able to switch over to something else mid-painting, and I encourage you to do the same. If you're painting something and it's not going according to plan, don't just stop. Don't just let it sit there. Don't put it away in a corner. Don't put it in a closet where you're going to forget about it. Continue on. Start with something else. Let the ideas just flow. Create and be inspired. Thanks for joining me today. I had fun painting this, and if you like watching this channel and you like my insanity, please come back, subscribe, like this video. We'll see you in the next time. We'll see you in the next time. We'll see you next time on Coca. Feia. It's Holland. What's up? Bye, guys. I'm done. I'm so thirsty. I'm parched.